Sometimes you blink and you miss it. Welcome back. I'll tell you, it came fast and furious this year. If you live in Ontario, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, we got hit in very few hours with a massive dump of snow. Now granted, folks up in Muskoka and north of there got it far worse than we did here, but we definitely got a good 8 to 10 inches easy here. This is me heading over to Guy's place to take the stuff off the back of the tractor and put it away for the winter. And then of course, this is me today. It came quick. I was kind of thinking I was just going to kind of mat it down to start building my base, but now I just got the warning about 10 minutes ago saying that they're calling for 20 more centimeters overnight. So it looks like I'm going to have to mount up the equipment on the tractor. Guy's got a bit of a problem with his snowblower, so I'm going to get my stuff done and then I'm going to head over his place today. And assuming it all comes tonight, I guess you'll see me blowing snow tomorrow. Cheers. You know, the last few years have been so mild in the winters, and if you guys remember, last year I didn't put the blower on until after Christmas. We got, you know, an inch here, an inch there kind of thing, and I know I was taking a bit of a risk. I got all the stuff off the back put away, but I still left the grapple on. I figured I got plenty of time to swap it, get the bucket back on there, get the loader arms off to put my snowblower on, and well, I gotta get the grapple away now in the cold. I got to get those pallet forks out of there, get back hooked up to my bucket, clear some spots there, or at least a big enough spot I can drop the loader arms, and then try to get the blower and the rear blade on. Jeez, heck, I totally forgot. I broke my shovel last year and I forgot to get another winter shovel, so I guess I'll be stomping through that a little bit, but that's not a big deal. But hey, overall, I'm in a bit of a mess. Guess I'll take it slow and easy today. But I'll see you tomorrow if we're blowing snow. So, definitely Murphy's Law. I was going to film taking this loader off, but I figured with the uneven snow and the uneven grounding, because I didn't prep it with plywood, I'd be here for an hour trying to get the darn thing off the tractor. Came off first shot. Took me 2 minutes. On a bit of a personal note for you good folks, you probably noticed over the last number of months I've been releasing less and less or less frequent videos. Still love the channel and I still love being up here, and I am up here, but things in our life has changed quite dramatically over the last year, and priorities have changed. So although I'm up here a lot, I'm up here a lot more with family. I tend to spend a lot less time filming and a lot more time with everybody, and we spend a lot more time in the city now than we used to, just for a number of other reasons. But I appreciate you guys still watching every week or two when I drop one. They will be kind of infrequent throughout the winter and probably for the foreseeable future, but I will be checking in every week or two, let you see what's going up here in the Great White North, or, well, Great Central North, I guess you might call it. Anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a bit of an update. Everything is going well, or better, I think is the best way to say it. But just things have changed a lot, and my time is spent in different areas now than it used to be. Hope you guys understand. Well, hey, to be honest, I wasn't going to film today. I just wanted to say hello, do a quick shot, but I always enjoy spending time up here with you good folks. Before I wrap up, I wanted to address an issue. A number of folks online and some folks have emailed me or left comments asking me if I've ever had any trouble with that 4-point hitch or that K-Connect system. I understand, I don't know if it was a period of time or there was some kind of issues with it. I'm going into my 5th winter. I have not had a single issue with this blower. Not the 4-pin hitch or the K-Connect system. They work great, and as you can see, you get them on and off pretty lickety split, even if it's -10 outside. All I can say is I do my maintenance every year. As you guys know, I'm very, very religious about the maintenance. I keep it greased, I keep it lubricated. Only one issue with the blower once, and that was just a hydraulic coupling, I guess you call it, had started to come loose, and Guy and I tightened them up with wrenches, and that was it. So hey, thanks for sticking around. Looks like everything's working, and I'm snow ready to get out there with Guy tomorrow. I hope we do get that 20 centimeters, because I'm ready to go. I'm just going to check my hydraulic fluid before I wrap up for the day. Usually when you swap out implements, you're going to lose a little. And other than that, I'll have my hat and my coffee in hand tomorrow morning. Have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm Gord Potter, and you've been watching GP Outdoors. Cheers.